Hello there, and welcome to We Can Read with me, Donald Joyce. Today's story is called How Many Birds Are in the Tree? Now, I'm going to read the story, and you can read along with me, or you can just sit back and listen. How many birds are in the tree? How many birds are in the tree? There are no birds in the tree. Look, an orange bird. Now there is one bird in the tree. Look, two red birds. Now there are three birds in the tree. Look, three yellow birds. Now there are six birds in the tree. Look, four blue birds. Now there are 10 birds in the tree. Look, a brown cat. Now there are no birds in the tree. And that is the story, How Many Birds Are in the Tree? Now, let's review. Do you remember? How many orange birds are in the tree? There is one orange bird. Do you remember how many red birds are in the tree? There are two red birds. Do you remember? How many yellow birds are in the tree? There are three yellow birds. Do you remember? How many blue birds are in the tree? There are four blue birds. Okay, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for We Can Read. With me, Donald Joyce, and I'll see you next time. And remember, keep reading!